let's talk about descending scales and how to make them faster, okay? We're going to play a 1 octave major scale. Super short scale, very easy on the guitar. Let's do it starting at the 5th fret, which means it's going to be C. So it's 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. Yep. C, D, E, F natural, up to G, A, B, C. So we all at the 5th fret? Yeah, I think so, yeah. So let's try it, and let's try it about this speed. And we'll go up and down. Top of the scale. Good. Okay, so we've established that's a scale. I think you're all doing it I and M, index and middle, that's fine. So this is quite an easy scale, right? Okay, let's stop there. We're using all the treble strings. We only have 2 string crosses from the G to the B and the B to the E. So we're not, we're not playing on the 1 string, we're crossing strings. 2 string crosses. Which means that our index and middle, 1 time index crosses, 1 time middle crosses, reverses, okay? How do we improve the control of when we descend at speed? And how do we improve this idea of playing with different combinations of the right hand? Now remember, I use I and A, right? But say for example I play in 4s. So what I'm doing is I'm doing I, A, 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 I, A. Talking and playing is not that easy. This is getting complicated now, right? So we're using I and M for you guys, right? And we're going. And that's a nice 4 in 1 beat. So like a semi-quaver. When we use an even number like a 4, a 2, an 8, something like that, we are crossing the string with the same finger. So if I start with index, index starts the first of each group of 4. So it changes my string. If I use a 3, it's going to be index 1 time, middle the next time. That's much more complex. That's where double, like not alternating happens, where someone does I, M, or something like that. And a 3, of course, is a different feel. Like this. A 2 is back to even. And a 1 is like 3. So I actually have this exercise, right, where I do a 4 ascending, a 3 descending, a 2 ascending, and a 1 descending. So the 1 now has to descend, right? But I sort of trick myself. I don't start by going and doing 1 descending. That's quite hard to do. But if I do a 4 ascending, a 3 descending, a 2 ascending, and then I come to a 1, it's almost like I didn't think I was going to do it. So I'd go. So that's quite quick. That all happened there. That was 4, 3, 2, 1. And also technically it's nice because I have something to relate it to. I relate it to a 4, I relate it to a 3, I relate it to a 2. Okay, so a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. We're changing to a 3 at the top. Anyone want to go really fast? Yeah. Okay, let's try it. So like. Okay, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A bit quicker. Great. 2. So it's hard, but it's a nice way to distract you from descending in single beats. It's a nice way of making that not just starting like this. Because And imagine if your scale was across all the strings of the guitar, and you have to do it descending. It's really hard. I mean, it's easier to go. And that, you know, up and down. But starting at the hard part from the top to the bottom is really great. Any questions about that before we go on to the next section? Anything? Any questions?
Oh, good.
Yeah, good. Yeah, it's good for your technique. Okay. Let's have a coffee break, and then we'll come back and we're going to do slurs. Okay?
We'll have a whiskey break.
A whiskey break, yeah? A whiskey break. Okay, excellent. Yeah. Every morning. Don't allow yourself any breakfast until you do the scales, you know.